This is the first for channel cam, with external left and right lenses. Here is a video recorded by the RX4C for channel cam in radar parking monitoring mode. From the right camera, you can be seen that the car owner next door opened the car door and it hit our car. At this moment, we can still see his license plate number temporarily. Next, the car owner prepares to drive out of the parking space. We can have car owners drive their cars past the front camera. We can clearly see the license plate number from the front camera. We can also see a complete process of a car parking in the 4-camera frame. The left and right lenses have a large fisheye wide angle of 165, which allows for a very wide viewing range.